First of all, gold H4 time frame price is now testing lower trend line third time, and this trend line is your key dynamic support level, and this last wave has now retraced 50%, and price also tested our 1935 key horizontal support level. So you have three level of support on this level. First of all, fib level, then trend line, then horizontal support level. So last week low 1936 is key level, and to confirm trend reversal we need clear breakout above 1985. Once we got clear breakout of that level, then it will confirm bottom, but target will be new higher high. If you see daily time frame, since this trend line is clearly visible on daily time frame, so this is key dynamic support level, and this was your buy the rumor sell the news effect. When this top was made, give you clear warning before sideways correction, before upside breakout, when ending diagonal was made, when it dropped, and when it went up before FOMC meeting, then after FOMC meeting, clear confirmation that this was your last hike. And since last hike has confirmed, so you will see multi-level profit taking. But FOMC member last week were saying completely different thing. And only thing matter is your number one Powell and number two vice chair. He is not confirmed yet, but these two people are in favor of rate pause. If other FOMC member or hawkish, then this is not strange thing, because AI bubble is now going out of control, and you can see with Nvidia stock that is center of that AI bubble. And one FOMC member has said crystal clear that some business need more rate hike, so they are saying about that AI bubble. If Nvidia stock does not stop, then FOMC member can be more hawkish. And your last rate hike confirmed by Powell's speech. Next step is first cut. And if you have read FOMC minute which came last week, then they are saying clear that they will maintain peak rate till January 24 FOMC meeting. And if you consider lag effect, that means what happened last year from June to November FOMC meeting, they were doing 75 basis point rate hike, and this is most aggressive rate hike since Paul Volcker. And if you consider entire global economy, then clearly more than 50% people did not see that aggressive rate hike. So 1 year for that aggressive rate hike is complete, and now lag effect will only increase. And right at the top, market was expecting a rate cut in July FOMC meeting, and now same market is now expecting 25 basis point hike. But that completely depends on that AI bubble. But you do not need to worry about AI bubble, but you cannot ignore lag effect of that aggressive rate hike. And this is your last week before blackout period begin, And clear confirmation for rate hike decision in June FOMC meeting will only come 1 week before FOMC meeting. Because if you remember that bullish candle which came after Powell's speech, 2000 rupee note from Indian government, that was big demand collapse for gold. Everyone was expecting that people will buy gold, but there was no buyer in market. And since price made all-time high, there was no buyer in market. But now we all know buying season is coming. Price is now down, and our last hike and first cut both are confirmed. And because of that lag effect, it is clear that timing for first rate cut from January FOMC meeting 2024, it will first go to December FOMC meeting, then it will go into November FOMC meeting. And once market pricing start again for rate cut, that will start this year 2023, and then will be aggressive rate cut in 2024, then gold will go up. And same like here on this top, the market was expecting rate cut in July FOMC meeting, and on this low, that same market is expecting hike, but that same market is also ignoring lag effect. And because of aggressive rate hike, pause will be shorter, less than 1 year, FOMC minute confirmed, and rate cut will also aggressive. Because past two rate hike were very slow, but this rate hike was very aggressive after Paul Volcker. And monthly time frame, there is not much time in closing of this month candlestick, but your main focus should be June month candlestick. This will close about 2080, or it will stay below $2,000, because next month June, which will start this week, all big central bank have interest rate decision, and after rate pause, all small central bank will do rate cut. On Monday you have holiday in USA, but after Monday you have news every day, and your most important news on Friday is NFP, and this is your last NFP before FOMC meeting, so this will be important this week. But before Friday you have JOLTS report, you have PMI number, and last week before blackout period. So you will see big price action this week. And your key intraday H1 time frame, these are your key resistance level, and nearest resistance is 1954. Once price breakout and close over 1954, then it will be first sign of reversal, because last week it collapsed after a strong GDP number. One thing you can see, that Fed did QE in March on bank run, and now their economy is re-accelerating in April month. So if NFP come high this week, then that will be final bearish sign for gold.